So this is the board we're gonna use. One board is enough and a different background. This one I use it for colors, shapes, or transportation topics, or foods and characters. Next one is under the sea background. I use this for family, like baby shark family. So the shark is under the sea animals. Next one is, you can see it's just like a curtain. So I use this for house or persons or things. And now we can use the other back side of the board, so it's color black. I put on the top and the character will show up sliding down. Last one I made for the Halloween events. It's for Halloween, so I use the black color. I already cut and coated the printing materials, and at the back side I put it a velcro. Here you are. We have a pumpkin doors, some skulls, a ghost, a witch, a vampire, and a skeleton. Now we just need a black background. I used a glittered felt paper. I stick it on a coated plastic to make it a little bit harder. So let's stick it out. Today it's a special day. Happy Halloween! Ding dong, trick or treat. Who are you? Witch! A ghost! A vampire who loves to drink blood. And a scary skeleton.